How to insert links in PowerPoint slides. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you want to insert links in PowerPoint slide, then in this video I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First step is to open Microsoft PowerPoint on your laptop or PC. Now open the presentation where you want to insert the link. Now open a web browser and find the link that you want to insert. Copy this link to the clipboard. Once it has been copied, head back to Microsoft PowerPoint and find the slide where you want to insert this link. Then from here, click on the option of Insert. Now from this panel, select Link. On the box where it says Text to Display, you want to enter the text. After this, on the address option, you want to paste the link that you have copied and click on the OK option. Now on the presentation, if you click on this text, the link will automatically open in a web browser. Now you can also insert links that will directly open different slides in the PowerPoint presentation itself. For that, you want to again click on the Insert option and select Link. Then enter the text where it says Text to Display. Now select Place in this document. Now from here you want to select whichever slide you want. Now click on the OK option. In the presentation, whenever you click on this text, the link will now direct it to the slide that you have inserted. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.